Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to download and install Eclipse IDE on your Windows 10 operating system. So Eclipse is usually written in Java and is used for developing Java applications, but you can use some plugins for other programming languages like C, C++, PHP and Python so that you can develop other languages. But first of all, you have to make sure that Java is installed on your Windows operating system before you installing Eclipse. You can watch my video related to Java JDK installation and download. Link is given below in the description. Now to download and install Eclipse, we first need to open browser and write down here google.com. Now you can search here Eclipse IDE download. Now click this link eclipse.org and here you can see it's for Windows download. Click on it. Again here download. Now you can see here it takes some time to download. Now the download has been completed. We can see that file in downloads. See, it's exe file. Double click on it. Now the installer has been started. Eclipse installer. Now you can see here the interaction panel. Now there are different options. You can opt whether you want to develop the Java or web development, or you can also choose this C, C++, and there are different options here like embedded C, C++, PHP developers, but right now I will choose this Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So click on it. Now you can see here it have already recognized that Java has been installed, and the location of that Java installation folder is this, and the installation folder for Eclipse would be this, and this is the create menu entry and the create desktop shortcut. So let us install. Click on it. Now it shows the license agreement. Click here accept. Now as you can see the installation has been completed. Now we can launch the program. Click launch. Now you can see here the workspace, and the location for this workspace will be this. You can choose another one, but I will keep it as default. So check this box and launch the application. Now you can see the Eclipse IDE window, and you can click here restore. Click on it. Now we can create a project here, Java project. Click file and new and Java project. Now it will ask for you the project name, so I will enter, for example, first project. These are the execution environment for JC. You can see here it shows Java SE18 because I have installed Java 18. It can be different, it depends upon the version you have installed already. That's why it's showing here Java 18. Now click next. Now it shows the first project name. Click here allow output folders and click here finish. Now it will show the module name, and we will check here generate comments, create. Now I will here delete this module. I want to create a simple Java class here. First delete it. Okay. Now in this source, create here new Java class. Click here. Now it will ask for the name. I will enter the first Java class, and here I will check this box public static void main. Check this box public static void main because I want to write down the program in this void main. Click finish. Now here I will write down some programming. Like for example, I want to print the first project string. So for that you have to write down the system dot out dot print ln and bracket start, and then you can write down the first project but in inverted commas. So here should be a semicolon. Now let us see whether it's working correctly or not. Click here run. Okay, see, it displays the first project. What we have written on here, it displays there. That means it's working correctly. This was all about how to download and install Eclipse, and how to configure it, and how to write down a program, and how to check whether it's working correctly or not. I hope you find this video informative, and if you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.